Fix Captain 400 gaming headset, mic not working on PC. Easy Windows, Guide Fix 1. Check hardware and mute button. Step 1. Ensure the headset's inline mute switch, if present, isn't toggled on. Step 2. Fully unplug the headset and plug it back in. Try different USB ports, or, for a 3.5mm version, use a proper TRS 3-pin splitter for separate mic headphone jacks. Step 3. Test the headset on another device to rule out hardware issues. Fix 2. Allow microphone access. Step 1. Press Win, Privacy and Security, Microphone. Step 2. Turn on microphone access for this device and let apps access your microphone. Fix 3. Select the mic and set as default. Step 1. Press Win, type Control, open Hardware and Sound Recording tab. Step 2. Right-click Empty Space. Show disabled devices. Step 3. Right-click Captain 400 mic or similar, enable Set as default device. Step 4. Properties, Levels tab. Raise volume to 100%. Step 5. If the mic still isn't visible or functional, try disabling, then re-enabling it. Realtek Audio Console users confirm this often restores recognition. Fix 4. Run Windows Sound Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System, Sound, Input. Click Troubleshoot. Let Windows attempt an auto-fix. Fix 5. Update audio drivers. Step 1. Open Device Manager, Audio Inputs and Outputs. Step 2. Right-click your mic device, Update Driver. Recommendation: visit your motherboard or laptop manufacturer's site, especially for Realtek, to grab the latest audio drivers.